Hello 50 fans. Today I'm going to detail my car. Never tried it. Hopefully it'll work. I used to use a California duster after I washed the car and it sits in the garage for a little while. I would use a California duster and dust the car, and then I was reading how I should try this with a microfiber towel. So I'm gonna give it a shot and I'll let you know how it goes here in just a moment. I meant to add that when you use this, I'm going by what they said on their webpage, which is just lightly mist it, wipe once the dust off, flip the rag, and continue drying the panel. And I'll do one panel at a time. So this is the method on how you're supposed to spray it. Nice fine mist. It's probably too much material. And then you take your rag and you just let it go. This side here is to pick up the dust. That has accumulated. And then this side here is to dry. So this is it, all done. Speed shined. Looks pretty glossy. I will say, you got to make sure you go back and check the panel, because some areas I felt like I could see splotches. I guess that's the right term. I don't see them now that I've gone back over it, but this is it. Take it for a ride. Thing I like about the Camaro. The exhaust is loud when you want it to be loud, but when you're just driving, even in sport mode, can't really focus sport mode, it's still nice and quiet. I'll get on it so you can hear it goose. Just to lay back and I don't hear the exhaust. Just ride around in your convertible, enjoy the weather.